I started driving, and it started just hailing like crazy. Hailing, black clouds, thunder, lightning. Just yesterday, the day before that, it was sunny and warm. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's hailing right now. Actually, some little, probably about the size of, maybe a little bit smaller than a dime. But, of course, everybody's driving like crazy, trying to get wherever they're getting. Yeah, good weather. We got our big car show coming up. And of course it always is rainy or cold or cruddy. So hopefully it will dry out. I don't know if you can hear that. Probably can't even see them, but they're bouncing off the car, off the window. Love it.